This morning we're just going to be bringing in some young dogs on check cords, trying to kind of salvage the day a little bit, working in the heat, working in the shade. We do have a little bit of a breeze, but it's hot. Nothing too carried away here. Just really simple bird work on check cord, and they will get to chase on flush. So I'm going to let them go so they can have some fun. It'll be short little snippets of just get into the bird. We're not working the field. They're well aired. So they've gone potty, they're coming right out of the dog training trailer and right to their bird. So it's a quick little setup. Not a lot of hunting, because I'll just create a hot dog. I don't want them hot. I just want to work on just pointing a bird and then have some fun back in the creek and then back into the air conditioning. Okay, this is our 6-month-old naughty puppy. He has had absolutely no whoa training. I take that back. I started yesterday on him in the kennel. So everything you see here is natural instinct, which he has a ton. He's beautifully bred. Super nice pup. To saddle up with his natural instinct is a bunch of preparation to get to this point. So we can come in on a puppy that has not been whoaed, and he knows his job is to point the bird. The instant he moves, the bird's going to go up. But he has complete confidence in us because nothing negative ever happens here. He's getting rewarded by simply breathing in the scent, and he's learned over time through our training and drills and setups that we do, that the reward goes away when he chooses to not do this. So you get dogs like this by being really, really good at what you do and progressing day in and day out with your drills. All the little things that I show you in the kennel maybe don't seem like much, but when you put them all together, you get these dogs that are extremely trusting and focused. And so when we actually come to the day, we say, you know what, we have to work on whoa, we have to work on the extra things. It's basically a case of formality. He's had some birds shot over him. He's caught some birds. He's chased lots of birds. He's got a wonderful point. He's wonderfully confident. I can get down and take pictures with him if I want to, and he knows that he's doing a perfect job. Okay? I want to be able to call my buddies and, oh, come on over here, guys. He's on point. I want to be able to do that without plugging in all my whoa commands. This puppy does not know whoa. He will know whoa, absolutely. It'll be additional to this, not to induce this. Now, this there's a whole other element of this that becomes balance, okay? So I actually want him to chase. So now he's making some mistakes now. I'm gonna make him chase. So I'm gonna make sure that he has fun in addition to that. So here we go. Good boy. Good boy. That's really, really good young dog introduction, young dog work. Hey buddy, woo! Good boy.